Over the past week, stocks in GameStop, AMC Theaters, and a multitude of other seemingly fading companies have soared in value. For stockbrokers and traders, these massive price hikes seem like an anomaly, but those plugged into the online forum Reddit aren't shocked. The spikes follow a targeted wave of enthusiasm aiming to boost the stock valuations from members of the subreddit r/WallStreetBets. For many, the GameStop rally might be the first time they've heard of the community, but r/WallStreetBets is actually a relatively old subreddit with deep ties to internet culture. The language used on posts in the community can be crude and boorish. They describe themselves as autists, and proudly exclaim how little they know about the market. But if you can move past the crass outer shell, you can find an almost coherent community of like-minded individuals who want to flip off the hedge fund managers and make money for the little guy. r/WallStreetBets has become a new training ground for would-be investors, aided by apps like Robinhood and Webull that allow anyone with a bank account to become a trader. But how did this sub grow to nearly 5 million self-described degenerates, and inspire scrutiny from the SEC? The WallStreetBets subreddit was created in 2012 by Jamie Rogozinski while he was working as an information technology consultant for the Inter-American Development Bank in Washington, D.C. according to the Wall Street Journal. The 39-year-old who lives in Mexico City found that while visiting internet forums in the early 2010s, he would be told by fellow investors that his investing style, akin to gambling, wasn't going to work out. When I created the sub, I was looking for a community, a place for people to talk about high-risk trades in an unapologetic way for people to make some short-term money with disposable income, Rogozinski told TMZ Live on Wednesday. The progression of WallStreetBets throughout the years has been nothing short of amazing. Over the next few years, r/WallStreetBets remained fairly small and niche. According to subreddit stats, the sub didn't break 100,000 subscribers until 2017. During these early years, the sub was still trying to find its identity, but it still had notable events. Martin Shkreli, the pharma bro, who is serving a 7-year prison sentence for securities fraud, was a common voice on the sub and a moderator. In June 2016, he proposed a ban on the word YOLO, meaning, you only live once, because the term undermines the central point of investing, and this roll the dice mentality is amateurish. I have never heard it in 15 years on Wall Street. The YOLO mentality of buying whatever is a crucial theme on the sub and is still commonly seen today. By 2020, the sub had ballooned to over 1 million subscribers and was full of novice traders sharing their gains, losses, and memes. Rogozinski published a book about his experience in January and in March announced the WallStreetBet Championship.